Moving on from question number 5 over at lawhub.lsac.org in its drill set number 9 for logical reasoning, we see question 6, which is asking for the situation described above most clearly illustrates which one of the following propositions. So the situation described most clearly illustrates which. So we are being asked to find something that matches the information on the left. It's really just a variation of an inference task. We're trying to find something that must be based on the information presented on the left. So we're going to highlight the information presented in the paragraph in different colors so that we can then track our answer choices against that information very specifically to find which answer matches the information presented on the left. So we start from the beginning. A magazine surveyed its readers on whether they thought electronic mail improved the quality of their lives. Okay, wonderful. That's background information if there ever was. The majority of those who responded via electronic mail said yes. Okay, so that's one population. Highlight that in yellow. And then the majority of those who responded via conventional mail answered no. Sometimes, and it's not all that common, but sometimes with an inference task, something should be jumping out as like, oh, that's what's happening. This is just illustrating bias of the communication method used. So they asked about whether email helped improve their lives, and those who answered by email went yes because they use email. Those who answered by conventional mail said no because they don't use the email to respond to this question. So sometimes, again, within real life situations, allow yourself to think about it for like 3 seconds, and you might be able to go, oh, this is showing that there's a bias based on the method of response. Thank you for watching this LSAT explanation video of an official practice problem over at lawhub.lsac.org. If you're enjoying the explanation, please consider becoming a MyGuru member to get early and exclusive access to additional explanation problems to help you on your LSAT journey. You can also like the video and subscribe to become notified when additional practice explanation videos are produced by MyGuru. But for now, let's get back to this explanation. So we'll start with choice A. People cannot always accurately assess whether a technology improves the quality of their lives. Are we saying that these people don't know their own response? No, not at all. Choice A would need a whole lot of additional information to say that's what's being illustrated on the left. Then choice B, magazine readers are as likely to use electronic mail as they are to use conventional mail. We didn't get any information regarding the size of these populations, so choice B would need additional information as well. Then choice C, people who use a technology are more likely to value it than are people who do not use it. Well, ding, 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 that is exactly what we mentally predicted without even looking at these answer choices. Moving on to choice D, one's quality of life is directly affected by the conveniences to which one has access. Well, theoretically, both populations have access to email. They don't just necessarily use it. So again, this is kind of almost a reversal of the information presented. And then choice E, those who use electronic mail are more likely to respond to surveys than are those who use conventional mail. Again, we don't know the quantity of the respondents for each of the two populations. So E also would need additional information. And you can see how even when the task is a little bit unconventional, we're still able to fit it into one of our common paradigms so that we're able to efficiently work through the individual problems without creating new processes. As you saw here, by using the inference process, even though it's kind of asking for what the situation describes with question 6 of drill set number 9.